If you want to change profile picture on Bluesky, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. You could just go ahead and open up your Bluesky. Click the three dots at the top, the three bars at the top left, and then go ahead and click your name at the top left, and then basically click edit profile. Just like Twitter, what you're gonna do, you're gonna click the camera icon right here next to your avatar, and then basically go ahead and select your photo. In my case, I'm gonna select from my library or upload from my library. All right, and then basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just select any photo, right? Any photo that I want, right? Let's have example this photo, okay? And basically I'm gonna be able to hit choose right here, and I'm gonna save it by clicking save at the top right, and basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.